Hi, I want to show you how to use iPhone widgets in a simple way. So firstly, make sure that you are updated to the iOS 18 or later versions. Now, press and hold your home screen till everything will start shaking and click Edit in the upper left corner. After that, we can also click Customize and firstly choose Theme for the home screen. So by default, it will be set to the light option, but you can switch to dark, and in that case, your icons will look like this. Also, you can choose automatic, so when you decide to turn on dark mode, dark icons will be enabled as well. And additionally, you can choose tinted option and manually choose color. Also, by tapping on this little sun icon, you can dim wallpaper a bit. Now, press and hold your screen again, click Edit, and now let's select Widgets. So, on the top, you should see suggested options, such as Siri suggestions, for example. And also, here we can find the school feature Smart Stack. So it automatically rotates widgets to show the most relevant information throughout the day and can also be flipped through easily. You can swipe left to change size of the widget and click Add Widget to add it to your home screen. Now to customize, you can press the widget once and choose whether you want to turn on Smart Rotate or turn it off, as well as widget suggestions. Then swipe up to manually select widgets you want to see on your home screen. For example, I'm going to remove App Store by tapping the minus and tapping remove. The same I'm going to do with Safari. I'm going to keep music, I'm going to keep news, I'm going to remove podcasts and keep clock. You can also tap on the plus and add more. Now click done, and this is how it will look on your home screen. You can swipe it up to change widgets throughout the day. Now, if you want to add just one widget, then go back in the editing, click add widget, and find app you want to add to your home screen. For example, we can add reminders. You can choose between this size of list, this one, and this biggest option. Tap Add Widget, and if you want to, you can also drag it to the different page or to the different position. Also, you can resize it right on your home screen by dragging the corners like that. Now tap it once to check to set the list you want to see on your home screen. So from reminders, you can switch to flagged, for example, scheduled, or any other option in the list. Then tap done, and by tapping the widget, you will immediately access this information. So we can also customize docs on the bottom because these are apps you use most frequently. So here, just drag an app you wanna use. For that, as a first step, remove one from the docs and then bring another back to the docs. And now to save changes, you need to tap Done button in the upper right corner, and that's it. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.